We thank our German client for purchasing EA1000H9 rental LED wall. We have incorporated an innovative design into this 1000 by 500 mm LED display, making it better suited to the specific requirements of rental LED screens. To ensure a smoother installation process, we utilized a new type of high-precision quick lock system. Optional curved locks are also available for creating curved configurations. Additionally, EA1000H9 features a hub-based connection design with a detachable power box and hub board, greatly simplifying maintenance. EA1000H9 boasts a highly innovative module design that combines magnetic attachment with secure locking mechanisms, making both front and rear installation and disassembly effortless. EA1000H9 rental LED wall can also be connected to EA500H9 rental LED wall in the left, right, and up-down directions.